Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today we're diving into Amazon EC2, the backbone of cloud computing that powers everything from small websites to complex enterprise applications. You'll learn how EC2 eliminates the need for upfront hardware investments and lets organizations launch and manage virtual servers on demand. Amazon EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the cloud, allowing you to spin up virtual machines called instances instantly, configure them to your needs, and pay only for what you use. Think of EC2 as your personal server rental service, no more waiting for hardware procurement. Key features of EC2 include a broad selection of instance types optimized for CPU, memory, storage, and networking, flexibility via hundreds of pre-configured Amazon machine images and custom AMI, built-in security with security groups and key pairs, and reliability across multiple regions and availability zones. Common use cases span hosting websites and web applications that auto-scale, running batch data processing jobs, creating isolated development and testing environments, migrating on-premises applications, and deploying gaming servers that handle varying player loads. To get started, open the AWS Management Console, choose an AMI, select an instance type, configure security settings, and launch your instance. Beginners can leverage the free tier's 750 hours per month of T2 micro instances during the first year. Amazon EC2 transforms how we think about infrastructure by combining on-demand scalability, flexibility, security, and cost efficiency. In our next video, we'll explore Amazon S3, AWS's object storage service. Subscribe to Technology Tuition for more tutorials.